Welcome guys to this tutorial. Here I will be talking about how you can create an Amazon affiliate account. It is very useful if you have a website or a YouTube channel that you want to monetize in an additional way. So let me briefly explain what is affiliate marketing in case you are not aware of it. So I think that this picture illustrates the situation quite well. So the first thing is that you find an affiliate program. So Amazon has one of those as well, but you can have different or you can find different programs as well. So for example, Shopify and so on and so on. Then within the program, you find the products that you want to promote. You promote them by placing your links with your unique ID so that they can identify that it is you that brought the customer. Track sales by using that unique ID. And then whenever the customer or the visitor makes a purchase, you earn a commission. The commissions can vary depending on the program and the affiliate website that has created the program. So as I mentioned, Amazon has such program as well, and you earn a few percent of the purchase. Also, what I think is very interesting and good about Amazon affiliate is that they leave a cookie, meaning that you will earn the revenue even though, let's say, the customer does not buy the exact same product that you promote. So let's say that you promote a camera and the customer buys a laptop. You will earn the revenue from the laptop. I think that there is a limited time how long this will work, meaning that whenever a customer goes through or visitor goes through your affiliate link and makes a purchase within a certain time, then you will earn a commission. If the purchase is made later than the specified time, then that would mean that you will not get your commission. But still, it's very handy because Amazon sells a wide range of products, meaning that you can potentially earn your commission from all of them, even though you link to one specific product on your website or your YouTube video. So let's go to the next part where I will be talking about how you can sign up. So here I am in my Amazon account. It's worth mentioning that there are different affiliate programs for each different store. So I recommend to go to the US one, but obviously there are different Amazon stores that you can log into, and each one of them will have their own unique affiliate programs. You can scroll down to the bottom and you will be able to see become an affiliate. If you don't see this, you can try to Google Amazon Associates or Amazon Affiliate Program, and this should pop up, this affiliate program. So as you can see here, join tens of thousands of creators, publishers, bloggers who are earning Amazon Associates program and up to 10% in associate commissions from qualifying purchases and programs. So let's go through the sign up process. This is the account information. Since I am already logged in, in this box I can select the address and I can select the pay listed above. If I'm someone else, if there is different information you need to list, then you would select this and type the information. Let's go to the next one. Now this is where you will place the blogs or websites or YouTube channels that you want to list your Amazon affiliate links. So I will place mine, couple of YouTube channels where I am planning to use these affiliate links. When I pressed next, this popped up. Are any of the websites or mobile apps listed above directly primarily at children under 13? These websites and mobile apps are not eligible to display banner, widgets, special links, or other ads from Amazon associates. You are required to declare this information. So in my case, it's no. What is your preferred ID, store ID? Preferred associate store ID. So you type a name. What are your websites or mobile apps about? Just brief description. Best describes, so I would say this. Select secondary topic. What type of Amazon items do you intend to list on your website or mobile apps? So I would say electronics, computer and office, movies, music and games. What type are your website or mobile apps? I would say content or niche website. How do you drive traffic to your websites? So SEO. Social networks. How do you utilize your websites and apps to generate income? So mine is Google AdSense. How do you usually build links? How many total unique visitors do your website and apps get per month? So let's put this. What is your primary reason to monetize my site? How did you hear about us? And I heard about it word of mouth. And then the caption. Here on this page, you will see your unique associates ID, which is very useful. And at the bottom, you can see enter payment and tax information, which you can fill out right now or do it later. Also, you can see that this is very important. So if your affiliate links have not referred qualified sales after 180 days, your application and access to Associates Central will be withdrawn, which is very useful to know. And I think that you have to make 3 sales, qualified sales, within these 6 months. And so I would suggest that you make this account and go through this process when you have some traction and you have some visitors to your website, your video, and so on. Because if you are just starting out, I think that it's too early for you. because you will not have these qualified sales, meaning that your account will be suspended, and this means that you will have a bunch of dead links on your website or your video and so on, because you will not be able to create a new account with the same ID. You will be creating a new account, and you will have to generate new links as well. So remember that and try to get these qualified sales within the first 6 months. So I hope that this tutorial was useful to you. Please press like on this video, press subscribe button as well, hit that bell for notifications when I upload, and I hope that I will see you guys in my next video.